Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can open the levers, pull the levers to open up the sacred temple. So get out your gems and you're going to place item and it's going to automatically pull the lever. As you can see, I did do a video previously on where you can find all of these artifacts. Then you're just going to, well, you can place it after you found them. I just did it this way so I could show you guys where everything was in the previous videos. So here's me just walking to the next lever, and I just put again the artifact in the place. Once you've done that for all of the 4 levers, it's going to automatically bring you to a little cutscene where it's going to open the doors to the sacred temple, which you can now fish and hopefully find the secret fish. I have not gotten it yet. I just have the worst luck in this game. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.